Okay, going back together here, we'll look at our last set of practice problems. So we were just adding these two expressions, not using our algebra tiles. Of course, you could use your algebra tiles if you want. Just gets a little messy when our numbers get big like this. So again, only like terms get to combine. So in this one, we got 3 minus 2c plus 1 plus 2c. So both my c terms can add together. So I'm going to put my 2c over here. And I'm just for my first step, I'm just going to do that only. So when I combine those, 2c and negative 2c actually just gives me 0. So then I only have 3 plus 1 left. And when we add those together, we end up with just 4 as our answer. So our c terms kind of just canceled out because we got 0. And then 3 and 1 makes 4. All right, now we are combining like terms again. So my h terms get to combine together. So negative 2 and 9h combine, and then 8 and 7 combine. And then I can add those together. So negative 2 plus 9, similar to 9 minus 2, right? Whenever a number is negative, it's like we're taking it away. So we get 7h. And then we add up 7 and 8, both positive, so we just add those together to get 15. So 7h plus 15 is our simplified version. Okay, so lastly, we're going to just do an exit ticket for today. It is an assignment on Teams, so please go ahead and open up your Teams. Find the assignment for today, Monday to 8, adding linear expressions. There's 4 questions, so work through those questions. Use your notebook to work them out if you needed. Turn that in, and then you're done for today. Awesome job.